How to delete background sound in video in InShot. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete background sound on video in InShot. Now the process itself is simple, so let me guide it through quick and easy. You want to simply open up the InShot application. You should get an interface like this, right? Simply tap on video option and then select a video that you wish to add and remove background from. Now you can tap on new and you can select one from your gallery. I'll just select one from my drafts. Now here you can see I've loaded up a video, right? Now next thing what you want to do is, in order to delete the background sound, you can simply tap on the video that you have here. Simply select the video. I'll just delete the other one here. Now you can see I have a single video here. Now what you want to do is you want to simply select the volume option, swipe to the right and select the volume option, tap on it. Once you tap on volume, now there is two different options. If you just wish to remove the background sound, you can simply select it. You can make the volume to 0 here and it'll be removed completely. However, if you want to delete it, simply tap on extract audio and you can see the audio will be extracted here. Now simply tap on the audio that you just extracted and simply tap on delete, and once you do so, the extracted audio will be deleted. So this is the way you can delete an extracted audio, or you can delete the background sound in video in InShot. If you wish to add another, you can simply tap on music plus, or you can record another one. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.